Let's go ahead and start lining them up. Brian Bodine at the number 1. I'm sorry, at the number 2. E.J. Evans at the number 3. Leave the 3 open. Tim Cotter at the 4. Todd Mason at the number 5. Scott Barnes at the number 6. Alan Lunchy at the number 7. Jared, you're at the number 8. Steve, you're at the number 9. And Rob at the number 10. All right. 12 scale, 13.5. Oh, EJ's gonna make it. Sweep the leg.
Come on, EJ! EJ!
LaRusso's gonna fight?
Come on!
No, this run won't count. I'm not going through tech. So.
We'll beat the judge at that. I mean, if you got an H3 batter, maybe.
It's all right. I'm out. I'll put it down after.
Okay. We'll save a spot for you.
Hey, EJ, if you win, you lose.
EJ says start with Albie. All right, we're going to get this one started, guys. It's race number 5, A1 for 13.5. Quarter marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. And we're off and run. It's going to be Stuart Mason. 1-car breakaway. Stuart, Brian, and Tim are top 3. Oh, getting there. Watching start finish line. Watching start finish line. Watching start finish line. Watching start finish line. Clear. Nothing to fix. Stuart Mason, Todd Mason, and it looks like Scott Barnes in 3rd now. Alan and Steve to round out the top 5. 11.9 for our race leader in that light blue. Already getting around some traffic. Crossing start finish line 12 flat. And our race leader will be coming up on Alan next. Already knocking all the way through 4th. So Stuart just on a mission here. Just a minute and 15 in. Pink one upside down. Thanks for clear. 6 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Race number 6 is coming up next. Race number 6 should be headed through Tech TC 25.5A1. And our race leader Stuart Mason has got his dad Todd Mason in 2 spots. Todd's going to be coming up on Jared. So 2nd place with Steve Jared. Thanks. Scott Barnes in the 3rd spot, Alan Lunchy in 4th, and Saruda to round out the top 5. Our race leader on a 42-lap run. That's 44 laps in on, and it looks like now a 41-lap pace here in 13.5. 230 in, 530 left, got 230 in, 530 left. Stuart back in through the middle, coming up on our 3rd place driver, Barnes.
Not driving.
So just 1 car remains on the lead lap, which will be Todd Mason in the pink and white and blue. Pink and white and blue next. Across the start finish line now, Todd in the 2 spot, 13 flat, currently trailing the race here by 10.4. Which means Stuart is right behind Dad now. This will be 4th lap on the field. 3 minutes and 15 seconds in, 4 minutes and 45 seconds left to go. Race number 6, get ready. 25.5A1.
Pretty soon they're going to have like the football.
Third place coming up on some traffic here at the start finish line. Looks like we're coming up on Lungy. EJ is back out there, but the car is limping it back into the corner. So forget about it. 4 minutes in and 4 minutes left to go, guys. 4 minutes in, 4 minutes left. We are halfway there. EJ trying to lift that thing around. It looks like something is still wrong with Evans.
Under 6631436.
Stuart Mason, Todd Mason, and Scott Barnes. We got 4:30 in and 3:30 left. At 4:30 in, 3:30 left. 41 lap pace out in front for Stuart. Still has come up on Barnes quick. A heavy hit through that chicane. Watch it entering the chicane, guys. Watch it entering the chicane and we're quick. .3 for the race here, back up with a 13.2. Tom Mason, the second spot, 13 Platinum. Scott Barnes at 14.7 the last time by 13.5. Dan Troskill out there on the course. This is A1 race number 5, race number 6.
Can't have that
The
happening here.
TC25 5, A1 coming up next.
I'm just making sure. I don't want nothing coming off, bro. Red lock, blue.
2 minutes and 45 seconds left to go here for Stuart. One of our crew out here at the car pit racing facility. Stuart has put in a lot of work and effort and a lot of care and concern for the event. So thank you to Stuart for all that he does here for our race programs and track designs, all that sort of good stuff. The college students in the area, originally from Washington, and his dad is down here for the weekend as well. So that's Stuart and Todd, son and father, out in front, followed by Scott Barnes in the third spot, the orange and blue. There's Barnes across the start finish line, 13.1. We got 6 down and 2 to go, guys. Mason, 12.3 last time by, back up with a 12.1. It's going to be Todd in the second spot with a 12.9, and Barnes in third with a 13 flat. Lungy in fourth with a 13.5. And Ceruto rounding out the top 5 with a 14.1. Poulin in the sixth spot, 13.8. That's going to be Rob. And then Jared in the seventh spot, 14.6. So another father-son pairing out there. Rob Doolin, the dad, and Jared Doolin, the son, out there battling it out for the sixth spot. Then we got EJ Evans in the 8th position out there. Back into the center of the course and across the start finish line. EJ just in his hot lap 12.5. Less than a minute left to go.
Yeah, you gotta.
Alright, so 40 seconds left to go, guys. 40 seconds left to go. Remember, when we marshal, we do not run on the carpet, guys. Do not stop abruptly. Just like yesterday. All the things we went over yesterday at the driver's meeting, we need to recall and we need to keep on that same form here for the main event day. So please no running while marshalling. I know that sounds like an odd request and it's not what we're used to, but that is the directive. So no running and no abrupt stops on the carpet. We will wrinkle it. 10 seconds left to go. Stewart on a victory lap. White flag is out. When you cross the start finish line, you will be done. Scott Barnes, you're done with third. Here comes our second place driver. Todd, you're done with the second position. Stewart, you're done with the win. Oh man, photo finish between Steve and Rob. That's a race. Break him in and shut him down. So Ruda over Rob 5th spot to the photo finish. All right, guys, bring them in and shut it down. Stuart Mason taking the win, 40 in an 807. Todd Mason second, 38 in an 809. Scott Barnes third, 36 in an 803. Lelgy fourth, and Saruta to round out the top 5.
Like that far behind Sonata, dude.